Welcome. Take a moment to find a space where you can be entirely undisturbed. You have arrived here because your soul is ready to shift, to remember and to recalibrate. Gently close your eyes. Feel the ground beneath you and the space around you. We are moving beyond the noise of the day, beyond the expectations of the mind, and into the sanctuary of your own energetic field. There is no need to do anything and nothing to solve. Simply allow yourself to be a receptive vessel. We are about to engage with a frequency transmission designed to clear the static and bring you back into alignment with your own inherent sovereignty. Take a deep cleansing breath in and let it go. Let the words dissolve. Simply listen and let the resonance do the work. We begin now. Kerataka nashu karateka kesha, karateka teka ereka ka, kashu kara, dashu kateka kesha, karateka kesha maka, ereka dashu. Karatasho seka, ereka tora daka, karateka, ereka tesho, kerataka, karataka sheko, eko, karanaka, karanaka tera, tera tatera, kasheko, ora ka, karataka ka, kaka, ereko tosha, karatosha, tesho toka, karatoka tesho, ereta tora, kashoka, kashoka kera, karakera toka kesho, eretoka kera kasho, kakasho, kera taka, karateka tora, ereka kesha katara, katara teka, ikara, karakora, kereka kesho, ereto tosho, karatora tera naka kesho, karanesho, erataka, karataka maka keko, kekora tasho kesho, kekora tasho kesho, ereta taka, karataka mata, era tora, kesho tora, kerataka, ereka toka, karatoka, karatoka ereka katara, kesho, karakesho gora, esho, ereta dai, ere, kera noka kesho, tetaka, eretato, etota, kasho, eresho tosha kera, keretaka, karateka era, ereka tosha maka, karanasho, ereto taro ka, ereto taro kasho, eka ka, karamashoka kesho, etoka karanasho tera, oh, etaka, ishoka kesho, tora nasho, kasho, eta, kiramaka, ereka kesho, karatara, ereka ko tatasho, karatasho maka, karamaka kora, ereka tasho, karatasho, kerataka, karanaka, erataka, karanaka, sheko, sheko tatoka maratasho, ereka toka, karatoka, kesho naka, ereka tosha, karatoka, keraka, kekaka ka, eshoka to, itata to, karatora matora, etoka kashoka, karatoka shoka, ereta tara, karatara mashoka, ereta tara kara, karatora desho, ereka tatara kesho. Karatesho eretatara, eretatama, eshote to, kato eretetato, eretotora, eshokakara neka, kerataka, kesho taka ereto tasho,
ereto tasho, karatasho, eke to do, ereto, eretora, kerata, eratara to, ishoto ta, keshoka, karanasho, ereta kamareta, te ta, ereta tera, karatera, sheka, isheka mata, ita, taratora ka, ito ka kosha, karadosha, kereke, eyeka ko karoka kara, kesho, korodara, karadora dora tesho, karanaka, Ishoka kasho, karadasho, kereneka, ereka tora, karatora, keshoka, ishoka masho, ereta tara, kasho, karekasho, ereto, karadora, ereto tara dora, tesho, ereta to, kato, kato.
Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the weight of your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the stillness you have just cultivated. There is no rush to move. Allow the resonance of this transmission to continue working within your cells. You are not the same as you were 5 minutes ago. You are simply more aligned with who you truly are. As you open your eyes, carry this clarity with you. Remember that you are your own anchor. Whenever you feel the noise of the world rising, you can return to this space and return to yourself. Thank you for sharing your energy with me today. To further anchor this practice and explore more daily activations, I invite you to visit JeanetteGibson.com. May you move through your day with grace, intention, and sovereignty.